when the Queen was crowned, I was doing the national service for Royal Artillery. So I was on parade in Plymouth, which was quite an extraordinary thing. And I'd seen her as a child, because I'm 89. And she was a lady devoted, said she would do her job right till she died. And that's what she's done. And it's sad to see her go.
She's always been very constant, she's always been there, and you just can't imagine that she's not going to be there anymore. And I can remember at the coronation, I was only probably about 7 or 8, and we all went over to my grandparents. They're the only ones that have got a TV, and we watched it there, and yeah, I just love the royal family.
We think she's the best queen ever. Never known any other queen, like most people. Passing is very sad, had to happen obviously. And I hope they do her really proud at the state funeral. Been brilliant for this country, a fantastic ambassador, and she just served us really well. She's exactly what she said she's going to do at the beginning.
I think she was a brilliant queen, and there won't be anyone like her ever again.